For angle theta in its standard form, it measures 4 pi over 3 radians. What are the values of sine theta and cos theta? Well, let's draw ourselves a unit circle, which I'm terrible at. See? Let me try to draw a circle. I can, always move things around when they end up looking like that. So there it is. They want 4 pi over 3, which is more than pi. Pi lives right here. 4 pi over 3 is going to live in the sweet spot between pi and 3 pi over 2. Now remember, in each quadrant, I have 3 main points that I look at. Okay? 1/3 after pi would be 7 pi over 6, not u. A halfway through between pi and 3 pi over 2 would be 5 pi over 4, so not u. And 2/3 plus pi, 2/3 of my way through, which is going to be 1/3 of pi, is going to be 4 pi over 3. So you are my third dot right here. Okay, so I'm looking at you, this point right there. Now, whenever we label our unit circle, okay, we're always thinking that square root of whatever number over 2. Okay, my x values starting from the x-axis, whether I'm moving up or moving down, my x values are going to start out with that number 3. So u would be, square root of 3 over 2. U would be square root of 2 over 2. But my third point, which is the most important point, would be square root of 1 over 2, which is 1 over 2. Okay, similarly, if my x value starts with 3, my y value starts with 1, so you would be 1 over 2, root 2 over 2, and you would be root 3 over 2. Now, before you start screaming at me, I know I'm not done yet. This is quadrant 3, which means my x value is negative and my y value is also negative. So this is the point that I'm mainly going to be dealing with, -1/2 and negative root 3 over 2. So I will label you x and I will label you y. Now this is a unit circle, and what's very important about the unit circle is r equals 1. So when I'm trying to find sine theta and cos theta, I know that sine theta in precalculus land is going to be y over r, and I know cos theta is going to be x over r, like so. My y value in this case is negative root 3 over 2. Negative root 3 over 2. My r is 1. So sine theta in this case is going to be negative root 3 over 2 divided by 1, which is negative root 3 divided by 2. My cos theta is going to be my x value over r. My x value is -1/2, and my r is 1 again. So -1/2 divided by 1 is -1/2. So there you go. Fun stuff. Tons of fun.